Hello, my name is Lelie and I want to show you something about the workshop I'm going to do at the IAF-India conference. The workshop is being called Figuring Out Meaning, and it's about how I do engaging mind and heart using Lego figures. It works a bit like this. For instance, we want to change something, so we have something to symbolize change. For instance, a fool. Anybody foolish enough to want to change the system has to make a big step into the unknown. What will the fool meet? Of course, he will meet resistance. Resistance to change is a dark force, trying to prevent the change from happening. How do we deal with this resistance? We can introduce a third element, for instance, a desired future. This will make the change move and also take the attention of the resistance off. And suddenly we have something that is facilitating the change, the facilitator, the angel of change, connecting heart and mind and engaging people to see a new perspective on the situation. As you see, the perspective of the situation has changed completely now, just by adding and changing the figures. If you want to know more and how to apply this beautiful method, please come and join the workshop. So that is basically how it works. I'm happy to share my experiences in this wonderful method. I can teach you how to use figures, how to create a setting in which group really engages with their heart and their mind in order to get the change or the outcome they really desire. If you want to learn more, please join me in my workshop.